Good evening. Let me share with you a problem I face. There is a lack of information for wheelchair users on the user-friendliness of various venues, such as particular cinemas or restaurants. However, this information is necessary for informed decision-making and to avoid being unpleasantly surprised upon reaching a particular destination. Currently, BCA has a database featuring accessible buildings in Singapore. However, the information can only tell you whether you can go into the building, but not whether you can go into the cinema in that building. Therefore, we propose a platform that crowdsources accessibility information of specific shops so that wheelchair-friendly locations can be easily identified. Introducing Go Easy. One can download our mobile application or just access it through our website. Other than developing the Go Easy prototype, which we also show in a while, we have also done a few other things between our last presentation and now. We talked to VWOs, wheelchair users, and also corporate entities, and their initial feedback has been positive. Instead of targeting only wheelchair users with physical disabilities, we are also targeting elderly people who use wheelchairs and wheelchair users' families and friends, healthcare professionals, and volunteers. This increase in target audience will allow for the sustainability of our platform. We have also created a landing page, Twitter account, and a Facebook page to generate interest and a dialogue with the potential users.
Now we'll show you a demo of our app. Okay, hi. So, hi, I'm Raja. So we'll show a demo of our app. Basically, the scenario I'm going to demonstrate is a personal story. I have a 10-year-old son who's a Spider-Man fan. Okay, so let's say he wants to see the Amazing Spider-Man Part 2 on IMAX 3D only. Okay, so I want to take him. I just don't know what is accessible information of the IMAX cinemas in Singapore. So let's see how Go Easy can help. Okay, so this is our Go Easy app, the first page, where you can see like top cinemas and top restaurants recommendation for disabled people like me. So let's click the top cinemas. Okay. Okay, then it'll connect to our cloud and then pull out all the list of cinemas in Singapore and the ratings people have already covered. So from here, we can already see there are two IMAX cinemas, okay? One is the J-Cube and the next one is Lido. And we can already see that the J-Cube one is high top rated. So I have more confidence to go and click it. You can click, and then it shows you the location of the J-Cube cinema. And below that, we can actually see the different features, accessibility information, more details. Like for example, even floor condition, okay? And then is there a separate entrance? Is there obstructing steps, right? I can see that there is even floor and other, like there's no obstructing steps, I get more confident. So I want to actually see more, what people have reviewed. So I can go and click reviews and I can see what people have already reviewed. So from there I can see that very good comments. The ratings are pretty good. Staff attentiveness, the staff friendliness, everything is good. I get more confidence, okay? So now I can take my son, go to the cinemas and enjoy the movie. And after enjoying the movie, I can actually post a review of the movie. So to do that, I can just click the review page. So then it'll ask you for login. So register members can log in. So then it moves me to a page where I can enter a review, my comment, my experience, right? So that I can share with other people to benefit them. Yeah, so we'll enter some good comment, and then also provide the ratings and staff friendliness, how attentive the staff have been, and an overall rating of my experience, okay? Which is very, very good. So we'll enter that. Once we post it, then automatically gets added to the page instantaneously. So yeah, so that's basically what we want to show, and yeah.
Okay, so this basically our app will be using phone gap build, and this is actually to ensure that this application will be working across all phone operating systems, including Android, iPhone, etc. And next, actually, it will show our this will actually be launched with some preloaded content, so that users can immediately start using Go Easy to explore Singapore. And this, after some database has been sufficiently built up, we will actually approach venues with lower ratings to suggest ways to improve their accessibility. So next, let's go to our business plan with our cash flow. To ensure that we can realize the full potential of this initiative, we'll carry out development in the following phases, ranging from phase 0 all the way to phase 4. In phase 0 will actually be the product development phase, where we'll spend across 2 months, whereby we'll further develop app in beta version, and also to enhance our social media communications platform to a tight user community. So throughout this phase and beyond, we'll actually be approaching our various partners, VWOs and corporate sponsors to help us gather app users and also CSR fundings. In phase 1, here will actually be, the beta app will be ready, and phase 1 will actually span across 6 months. There should be capability to support communications between users, and they can actually arrange outings, etc. So this will actually, this will feature data map as well for user recommendations. And we'll also be conducting roadshows with VWOs to increase awareness and also to increase beta users. A Wheel for Hope event, something similar to Amazing Race or Running Man, will also be under planning for fundraising and to increase awareness. In phase 2, we'll actually have completed our beta testing, and this will actually be officially launched in the app market. And from here, we can start generating cash flow from advertisements, events, and partner sponsors. Okay, phase 3 will be continuation of that, and this will actually be, we'll be gathering sufficient user response to upgrade our platform. In phase 4, we'll actually be operational in a better, a larger phase. Okay, so with this, we hope to expand this to benefit the entire PW community. Thank you.